Yeah. Hey.
Okay. One horse at a time. One horse.
Who's that? Who's this, Sydney?
Art Star.
Art Star, yep. Who's this one?
Rounder.
Roundabout, yep.
Curse.
Reverse the curse.
Reverse the curse.
And what's this one's name?
I don't know.
I'm not sure of her official name, but we call her Joycey.
Joycey.
Joycey. There's no horsies in those ones.
Maybe we'll get new ones tomorrow. I'm gonna get new ones tomorrow.
No, this is it for now.
This is all ours?
All ours, yep.
Oh my god. We got all the horses.
All these barns are full of horses.
But not all those are open.
Here's the track. Yes? They're at the other barn.
I'm gonna go see them.
No, that's not a toy. Let's see if we can get the chicken or the rooster mad. Hello, rooster. Success. Oh, that's awesome. Jack, you want to pet the rooster? No way. Put her down.
That's so funny.
Did you see the rooster attack me?
Huh?
Did you see the rooster attack me? I love it.
I'm just gonna go lay with them.
Oh, now he makes a sound.
Really high.
I don't think so. Stay off of there. That's why you don't get on there.
I hit myself. I'm gonna pet the rooster.
I dare you to pet the rooster. He attacked me.